Okay, first is the wall that we need to draw it, and we can click here the wall, and then we click places that we need to draw and drag it to the dimension that we needed, or we click the dimension that we need, like I need 1500. Okay, and click enter. Okay, and that is, or either we drag it until 1500 also can. And if it's end for the wall and we click as is, okay, and that is, and we click this wall, and at the edit tab we can edit the thickness of the wall and the material of the wall. The material of the wall, we can click here the three dot button. Okay, and we go still to this page, material browser, and we go to appearance and click the textures we download at Google, and click OK. And click OK and OK. And that's all for the wall. Okay, now I go to the floor, and first we can click here architecture floor. Okay, and we come to here and we can choose a peg wall. This. Okay, and the peg wall that have an offset number, we can just direct to click in how many dimensions that we needed, and we click here the wall. Okay, and this red line will comes up, and also this wall. Okay, and it comes up, but it's these two lines that are not connected, so we need to click this trim and click this first line to the second line, and it become connection, so that if we click the true button that we needed, it can be done. If they did not connected, they cannot be clicked done like this. And I did not connected these two lines in this side, in the right side, so it will comes up the error. So we need to connect it like okay. Okay, almost I finished for the line that have connected, and click this, and it's become a line here. This. And we can edit the thickness of the floor here and click edit, and this is the thickness and also the material. And that's all for the floor. Okay, and now I'm going to show how to draw a staircase. First we click here stairs, and we can see the track is 255 mm from level 1 to level 2, and we need to click in the ground floor plan, because the most lowest point is at the ground floor plan, and the second top level is, and the level 2 is first floor plan. So it's first, right, we click this, and it will show there are needed 24 riser. Okay, and we can see in 3D, and this is the staircase. And after we finish, we click this finish. Okay, and that is. Okay, after the staircase, I go to show how to do the roof. First we need to click this roof. Okay, after that, we can see that is the lowest level we like to move is level 2, is Yes. Okay. And we started to use these peg walls and with overhang 1100, or either you can change it and we pick here 1, 2, 3, okay, enjoy anyone, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and after we need to connect this line between. If we do not connect it, it cannot be joined. Okay, after that we can just click this finish button and that's all. And now I show how to do the section line. First we can click in view and this section. Okay, and we just draw a line there wherever we wanted. Okay, draw here. And now this is become a section line, and we click in between this line and drag it to the side, so it did not disturb our floor plan. And that's all for section line. Okay, now I'm going to do a section perspective. First, we click view and click 2D view in camera, and just pick a point and outside and drag it in a straight line. Okay, and it goes to the view and we drag it bigger so that we can see the whole building. Okay, and we click here extend section box, and we click this section box lines and go back to the ground floor plan, and you can see this is the section box line, and we drag to the places that we want to see the section. Okay, I click here to see the staircase and bedroom and the veranda. Go back to the view. Okay, so that we can see the section perspective. And now I need to hide this box, hide in view elements, and also this section box also hide in view elements. Okay, so that we can see this is the sectional perspective view. Okay, now I'm going to do a sheet like this. First, I can click view and sheet here. Okay, I click A1 size or A0 size, or either the another size in load and you in libraries, US metric and title block. And there is many size of the paper, and here we can choose. And now I just only choose the A1 and click OK. And now this is the sheet paper A1 size that I wanted. It names this. And now I want to drag the first floor plan and ground floor plan. Just drag it here. And because I only used in the example, so I drag this and just drag it. Okay, and it shows a big size, so I click this and go down here to advance and click crop view, crop region, and annotation, so that it becomes just like this. And I double click, I can cut it. Okay, just cut the size that I wanted here. Okay. And double click at the outside here. Just go back, and we can just do it in the places that we wanted. And this line we want to go it load here. So click one time this line and drag it. Okay. And we need to more shorter for this line. We click one time and drag it become. Okay. If we wanted to change the scale, also we can click here. Right. We need a 50. Okay. It becomes more bigger. And we go back, okay, to 100. Okay, it becomes 100 scale. And I want to hide this black line, so I click one time and just delete these two click of region and annotation. Okay, so the line is hiding. Okay, that is for the shades. And also if we want a front elevation, we can click it and just click right click and double click it with detailing. Okay, and we can rename it or either, and after rename we can just also drag it to the sheet the paper. Okay, just drag it. And also same like before the step. And now I show, and then if I want to print it in PDF file, okay, just click print. I use a cube PDF. Okay, click properties in color or either black and white. Follow to the construction for teacher. And I use, before I use A1 size, so I click here A1. If I use A0 or another size paper, just follow by before. Okay, click OK. Click OK. And we need to select a views for which paper that we need to print it with PDF. I need to print it this sheet A110. Okay. And set up, we need to confirm it at the center at a zoom 100%, landscape, raster progressing, high color. Okay. And it must be LSA1 followed by the paper size. Okay. And just click OK. You want to choose as a, okay, yes. Okay, after save as PDF, you can see this is the size that I set at before at the Revit, and the line is fixed to the board for the side line for the paper. And now I wanted to show how to do a video in Revit. And first I click escape and restart here. And now we are going to an escape page. Okay, and after the PDF file has saved, we can edit here with file open with in Photoshop and open the file that we saved before at PDF. In the inch of the resolution must be in 300 and click OK. And after it, we can just click N button and drag a rectangular shape and right click and click a layer couplet. And we can rename it with a brown floor. Okay, enter. And after that, we can open a file, open new file with a A1 size, and the resolution also must be in 300 and click OK. And go to the before we lay out, okay, and drag it to the file. Okay, we can drag it to the file. Please drag. And we can adjust it in any places. And the scale, it did not change it. Okay, this is after I open my Enscape and it shows my building viewer in Revit. And first we need to click here a video editor. Okay, first if I want a video first view, I just click here and have a first view, and the second view I need to go through here. Okay. More front. And this is my second view, I just click here. Okay, and we can adjust the time duration like 5 seconds. I will need the click enter and just see. Just like this the video, and we can save it. We can save it here and like save path or either export. If we need to just through to export, we just click export, and it has a maximum or how we need. Also have a full play Hydra HD, also this more higher frame, or either we did not go through to the MP4, we just can save the path to the file first on our computer. Okay, and that is. Okay, and for the video editor, I use a CapCut, and this is the Chinese version CapCut in computer. And as you can see, this is my video editor, and I can easily drag the video and go start to edit it, or either I need to arrange it. And also the music that I wanted, I also can just drag it into it. And it is easier to me and easily to learn it. And that's all for me. Thank you.